Hey people of YouTube, so I'm out with Ted. We've got some trees to clean up from this lovely weather and this stupid woolly indulgence disease that's killing off the hemlocks. We had to fall down on 2 hemlocks, they're intertwined. So Ted and I are going to go clean that up. Got to shift into low range, turn 4-wheel, and we're off. Luckily these trees aren't too far into the woods. I want to get them cleaned up because it's on the main trail. Nobody else seems to do any trail maintenance around here, so I'm the one stuck doing it. I will say, I'm liking the steering upgrade I did to Ted over the winter. Sneak around the backside of these trees because it's all mud down over here. Here we are. What a mess. At least this hemlock's a good shingle mill tree. And that's an oak. I thought it was another hemlock. That looks like it'll make some good firewood. I'll be using my Stihl MS 180. I bought this saw 20 years ago and it's been a good saw. Sometimes I use my DeWalt cordless chainsaw. Well, it's a little too heavy duty for that. Well, that didn't take long to clear up, especially for you guys on camera, with the modern technology of speeding up the frame rate. This oak is perfectly cured for firewood, so I'll be driving my dump truck out here to steal that, as well as this hemlock that's not rotted yet, so that'll run pretty well through the shingle mill. So you may have noticed all the other stuff in the back of Ted. This box has my recovery gear, snatch blocks, shackles, tree savers, some jumper cables, some other miscellaneous stuff. This pack is just my hiking pack. Has a bunch of stuff in it like binoculars, matches, compass, some snacks, water. Never go anywhere without my first aid kit, and this is a tool kit. And I'm always armed when I go out in the woods by myself. You never know what could happen. I've taken a liking to this Savage Model 24. Pretty neat. So it's brake barrel. So I can do it one-handed. And it's chambered for 12 gauge and 223 Remington. It's kind of cool. You can take the scope off and have your iron sights. This one's folded down right now to clear the scope. So you can flip that up for iron sights for the 223, or leave it folded down and use the front sight as a front bead for the 12 gauge. It's a good survival type firearm since it does two, a rifle and a shotgun. So I just like carrying it with me. Let's continue forth, shall we? I'm going to do a little preventative maintenance here and take this dead tree down. It's leaning over the trail, so it's only a matter of time before it comes down. I backed Ted way up there so he won't get hit in case the tree falls the wrong direction. Yeah, that thing was pretty rotted. It's amazing it was still standing. There was not much left to that thing. This is what's nice about not having the top on the Jeep. It's gonna stop a million times and pick sticks up. Some more down here I'll grab. This is the steering upgrade I did over the winter. This is a Saginaw box out of an International Scout. It's a nice long sector shaft so you can bolt it to the frame rail like it is. I can't put a Saginaw box right here like they normally do for these early Jeeps because of my PTO winch. So I found this one and rebuilt it and installed it. The original Ross box was pretty well whooped and I was having trouble with the hydraulic assist. Well, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Ted got a little dirty and I got some trail maintenance done. So I'm gonna get Ted back to the barn. Looks like there's a storm rolling in and I see a few snowflakes spitting in the sky. So I'll catch you later.